want a snack. I don't see anything. I mean, I see a lot of things, but I'm sorry, I didn't mean to talk that loud. Food you need to cook. Like, I'm gonna get another Slim Jim because they're bomb. I don't know what else to get. Maybe on my next break, I can make like some Brussels sprouts or something. I might clean the toilet and the sink. Turn this camera off. Eat my Slim Jim while doing my Spanish work. Then I'm gonna take y'all with me to wash the dishes. Yo, my dad just put on my jacket and I can't believe he actually fits it. It's a little snug. Put the Q on it. Thank you. Dang. Can I get a bite of that? Can I get a bite of your food? Can I get a bite of that food, please?
You serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
I'll buy you one.
No, just buy me one. Cause you just manhandled the sandwich. I don't want to eat that no more. I wonder if the restroom closed. I gotta pee.
Trey.